From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. I'm student meteorologist Josh Kobar here with today's forecast. As you can see, looking at Beaver Stadium, it's pretty nice out so far. Temperatures hovering around 59 degrees. You can see the sun's coming out, with daylight savings and all. We got the sunlight back in the morning again, which is always so nice to get up with. And overall, it just looks pretty nice out. A little bit of cloud cover in the sky, but overall, quite nice. As you can see, 59, feels like 59, dew point around 48 degrees. And visibility is fantastic, 10 miles. A little bit of wind, around 16 miles per hour from the west, but overall, very pleasant. As we look into the State College and surrounding area, you can see overall, just kind of a trend of west is warmer than the east. State College is actually a bit of a high point, as well as Altoona. There's a little bit of a warm front that is making its way through, hence why we have the warmer temperatures at this time of the year. But you can see down in Harrisburg, it's a little colder at 48 degrees. Williamsport about 47, but overall pretty nice for this time of year. As we look at the entire Pennsylvania area, you can see generally around the same. Philadelphia is at 57, which is usually a hotter area. Pittsburgh's at 62, so there's your high for the state as of now. But yeah, overall, you can just see the general trend of east to west going from warm to cold. And as you can see, the current conditions, overall as a whole, it's a little bit cloudier. There's a little bit of morning clouds coming through. You can see some of the east, Scranton, Allentown, Philadelphia, all a little bit cloudy. There's a bit of a hot spot around State College. Happy Valley, get a little bit of sun. And then up into the west, you can see a little bit of clouds again, just overall as a trend. And there you can see on the radar and satellite, you can see how there is a bit of cloud cover, a little bit of rain moving its way out of kind of New Jersey, New York, and moving into the Boston area. As we zoom out a bit, you can see overall as a whole, it's a relatively quiet look for the entire country. A little bit of activity going up in Canada, but as for the United States, not much is happening. A little bit of weather off in the west. And as we move into the almanac, let's take a look at the almanac. You can see, there's no surprises here. It's much warmer than it should be. Normal temperatures around 52 for the high. We're hitting 63 today. It's a little bit of summer. A little bit of summer for us to enjoy, if you can call it that. I don't know if it's exactly summer, but a little bit warmer. Lows 45 compared to 36. It's fantastic. But this is nowhere near the record. The record high for today is 78, which is very balmy. That is truly summer. But we got just a nice little spring fallish mix going on now. And as we look at the future weather, you can see as time goes on, just a little bit of some weather coming through. You can see actually Wednesday morning, a little bit of snow possible in the Erie area, kind of northwest part of the state there. You can see winds coming down and just a little bit of cloud cover. And then as we move through, you can see a little bit of a cold front come through with some rain, which is going to take all that snow away and move through the entire state as we make our way through Thursday. And of course, today is election day. So overall, today's forecast, again, you're just looking at warmer temperatures, 60, 62, 57 as we go through the day. Relatively sunny. Honestly, this is a very nice day. Get out and about, enjoy it while you can, because honestly, it's not going to last for too much longer. And yeah, as you see, even tomorrow, we're looking at high around 51 degrees, which is, it's still very nice for mid-November, or beginning of November, let's be real. But partly sunny, a little bit more clouds tomorrow. Winds 6 to 8 miles an hour, not very windy, a little bit of gusts around 10 as a whole. But then as we look at our 7-day forecast, you can see for the most part, you can just see a downward trend as temperature goes on throughout the week. You can see where that cold front kind of comes through, and we return to temperatures that we should probably be at, or at least close to. But as for today, 63, partly sunny. Wednesday, 51 with a low of 37. Thursday, we see a little bit of a possibility for some rain as that cold front kind of moves through. Just a little bit of a mist as a whole with some scattered showers moving into Friday. Just see that temperature dropping down. And as we get into the weekend, it's going to be okay. A little bit cold, colder than we're used to as of now, which is the way things have been. A little bit of clouds, but also a little bit of sun on Sunday. You know, you might get some sunnier conditions, so that might actually help to make it feel warmer than it actually is. But from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Josh Kobar. Have a great day.